Here is the Police Commissioner of Lagos State. Here is Akeem Odumosun, the Police Commissioner of Lagos State. He wants to address the people and also address the press.
Wait, Commissioner, wait, Mr. Commissioner. Let's go to open space. Let's go to open space. Cameraman, Shibani, Commissioner Ọlọ́pàá.
Yes, now support.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, guy.
It's okay yet. It's okay yet. It's okay yet.
You guys can tell the
Okay.
The other side. Please, mind yourself. Please. Please don't fire the door.
It's okay here.
Let me stay here.
Yes.
Don't push, man. Come on.
Thomas!
Don't push. Relax. Don't push now. Don't choke yourself, please. Don't choke yourself, please. Please don't choke yourself. Don't do this. Don't choke her, please, huh?
I let her stand up. Let her come up.
Can we start? Sir?
Can we do this? Can we do this?
Can we start?
Let's compose our
We are good to go.
Are we good?
Yes.
Yeah, we are good. We are good.
This guy. This is wrong. Shoot this way. Shoot this guy is wrong. We shoot against him.
So, what do we do? Arrange yourself. Everywhere I want to be, I'll be there. Hold on. What if it comes down and you stay here? Hold on. Okay, do that, please. Please arrange yourself.
I'm here.
No, you stay.
Oh, that you to push. Why must you push?
What did that mean?
Look at them.
It's not possible.
Can you let me stay my ground?
Sorry. This guy sit down.
Please, everybody,
Silent.
Regular place.
Let's go ahead now. Let's go ahead. We are good to go.
Bros. Abeg, chief. Bros.
Thank you very much. What they are just doing is they are just being security conscious and being proactive.
Bros, your phone.
To recollect that Thursday, I had a press conference wherein I listed the security reasons why the rally must not hold.
Who is on out that phone?
Because you come to realize
Your phone.
Come from the cover, Joe. You spoil the cover now.
have perverted plan to seize the opportunity to create mayhem in the society. Though the organizers of the rally made practice efforts to say it will go peacefully, but you and I know that what happened during the NSAS. NSAS started peacefully, and the ministry hijacked us, and up till now, the command itself, not on Lagos State, so have not been able to get out of the destruction that happened during that NSAS. Many people whose lives are lost, many police officers who lost their lives, many police stations that were burnt down, personal properties of police officers that were burnt down. Some have not gotten out of that. And we don't want to allow that. We all know what Lagos is. This is the economic hub of Nigeria. This is the economic hub of even West Africa. Any societies in Lagos now affect the whole country and West Africa. So that's why we don't want anybody to create any security breach for Lagos. And that's why we advise them not to. So to get this started now, they have the right to protest. They have the right now to complain, but the time is not right.
So, sir, are you saying?
We are doing the right
Are
thing.
you trying to say that protests will no longer be legal in the across the country?
Now, protest is legal, but even in the family, when you do the right thing at the wrong time, in the wrong way, you get the wrong results.
Sir, are you
The
saying?
environment is not conducive now for any protest in Lagos because the state is still nursing the devastating effects of NSAS. And next time they want to come to clarify me here, the intelligence reports have indicated that some equally arranged to have it simultaneously at the toll gate at Surulere, Iyanapaja, so even Ikejana the bridge. Even some have permitted plan to go and attack the customers at Semi-Border, as they did in Ogun State, and forcefully open the border to people. This is no longer a protest, but they want to hide under that peaceful protest being organized by those that intend to now to have that. And I lay all this one on the table, the intelligence report. That's why I say it is not conducive now for any rally, any protest in Lagos State.
Sir, are you saying that the police? Are you saying that the police cannot prevent the attack? Are you saying that the police cannot stop the protest from being hijacked? Are you saying that the police does not have the ability to protect peaceful protesters?
It is our duty to protect everybody. When you want to go on something like this now, you let the police know, you see to the police. We are going on protest from social place to social place at social time and doing this.
Are you saying they didn't speak to the police?
Sir,
Are you saying they didn't speak to the police?
Absolutely, and you just said now, you said some minutes ago that the leaders of the protest said it was going to be peaceful.
They are left.
Are you denying that there was a letter answer this question in Yoruba?
No, I will let me.
Yeah, are you saying that they did not write to the police?
Did you receive a protest letter? Did you?
I don't know what to understand by a protest letter. What is protest letter?
Did you receive a notification? Did you receive a notification that there would be a protest?
Sir, will they be tear gassed and arrested if they come out to protest? Which one do you want to answer?
Everything.
Sir, the question is, did you receive a protest letter?
I don't know to understand. I don't understand my protest.
Okay, sir, what solutions do you have for
It may not be letter now. It may not be letter. Security in Lagos is important. Security in Lagos.
Please use the mic, sir. We can't hear you.
And for that now, and that's what we don't want anybody to thwart security in Lagos. People who are going about their love business. Audio,
please.
You can see that they have needed our advice that they should come out and do their love business. If they want to protest, there are procedures. There are procedures in protesting. There are procedures even in the letter. And there are contents of the letter. So to be, if you want to protest now, you will tell the authority, we want to protest, this is the likely number of those to be now, these are the identity of those people now, this is the uniform that are going to put on, so that I'm telling you now the worthiness of that letter. I'm telling you now the letter is not what's supposed to be.
So you received the letter, sir.
Sir, and what they said they wanted to do was to a rally. They said it's not a protest, sir.
A letter.
You are blocking us.
You can't pin me down, the journalist.
Okay.
I'm a trained journalist like this. You can't pin me down.
So you're not giving us answers?
Yes. I'm just trying to explain something to you. You didn't allow me. I just coming in. So I allow you to have your freedom to talk.
Okay, sir, what collaborations do you have? Lagos State have with Ogun State?
No, let him finish one now.
So if you want to protest, the content of the letter, if there's any, should let us know from so-so place to so-so place. Procession will be. And these are the identity of those to protest. They have this as a uniform to put on. They have this now as a label to put on. So that's the only way we can be able to separate those who are legitimately protesting and the miscreants. But when you just put a tears one page or one paragraph that says you want to do this one now, they're not even asking for. So you should be able to tell us that we are going from one place to another at so-so time, and this is the signature of those. Anybody that does not wear this uniform is not one of us. You're giving us. And with that one now, we'll be able to protest. But when you make it an open-ended, it becomes even the security risk for yourself. You won't be able to identify those who are your member.
Sir, we
Sir, we
need to
can't-
be harassed and tear
What
gassed.
collaboration?
You are here now, the pressmen are here. The pressmen are here, you have your identity, you have the communication
So
center,
someone
now we know your president.
That is a question. Will these protesters be tear gas if they come, if they show up?
arrested and harassed?
Will they be arrested or tear gas?
Sir, are you saying that the inability of the police to protect peaceful protesters
What
would mean...
collaborations of Lagos and Ogun have in protecting our highways? Thank you, sir.
Highways, I'm collaborating with others. Everybody. All law-abiding citizens of this country, Lagos, they are highly protected.
Okay, so sir, we understand that the justice has come after Sanigo and his house and all of that. Question is, what's the situation now with him being at large? What's the situation now?
I think the DSS has to answer that question.
Sir, are you saying that the right to peaceful protest of the protesters would be subject to the inability of the police to protect the protesters?
That's just a bit so your own imagination. All I've told you is that we have to protect everybody. The protesters too have the right to protest it. But what I'm saying is that when you want to go on anything, let it be detailed so that we know that, oh, when you see somebody putting on red, this is our uniform. Somebody putting on blue is our uniform. Somebody putting on black is our uniform. So when you make it an open-ended gathering, then yourself cannot be able to control it. They will have to control.
Sir, but all of these requirements that you have outlined are not directly stated in the Constitution.
Yeah. No, when you talk about Constitution, a law is made with the circumstances of the time the law is made. When you are now implementing the law, the circumstances of the law. For example, the law made maybe in 1960. And you want to implement the law now, there are no social media at that time. So that period. So you need to adapt the law now to enforce it to the circumstances of the environment at the time you are implementing it.
So you are saying the Commissioner of Police has the power to amend the Constitution? So are you saying that the Commissioner of Police has the power to amend the Constitution?
I'm a law enforcement officer, I'm not a lawmaker, so we don't do that.
Now Yorùbá. Àtàwọn èèyàn wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ dáhùn pé àwọn ilé Yorùbá tà nítorí pé Yorùbá nígbà tí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ìwọ́de ẹ̀yìn náà wá bí bó lè jẹ́ pé ẹ̀ka ìgbà sí wọn ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀gbà wọn láyè tí wọ́n ṣe ìwọ́de kí ló ṣe fẹsẹ̀ tí wọ́n gba àwọn èèyàn láti ṣe ìwọ́de Yorùbá nation lónìí.
àwọn tó tajú nígbà 2012 àwọn ọmọ gọ̀fẹ́ tó wà ní àwọn tí wọ́n fi ẹ̀fọ́nú hàn mí tó bá rí gbogbo amóhùnmáwòrán tá a yà ẹ rí i pé wọ́n kó táyà sọ́nà wọ́n kó ibi sọ́nà gbogbo àwọn tó ń bọ̀ tó láti Ìbàdàn wọn ò rí bí wọlé gbogbo àwọn tó ń bọ̀ láti Maryland láti jáde wọn ò rí bí wọlé a ní kí èèyàn má fi ẹ̀hónú hàn wọ́n yẹ ká mọ̀ yí pé ibi tí èèyàn ti ní ààbò lábẹ́ òfin tí ẹ̀kọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ti ọ̀mí náà ti ẹ̀kọ́ parí sí ẹ̀kọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ lè ní dandan kí àwọn èèyàn so ẹ lè ní dandan no leave them come no my friend come live here.
Uncle River.
Live here. Then my man live there. So that is the situation. All kọ́dà ń sọ ní pé àti àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi ẹ̀hónú hàn àti àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ jáde ẹ̀tọ́ wa ni láti fún wọn ní ààbò tó péye fún àwọn fúnra wọn ká má wá jẹ́ pé kí àwọn ọmọ gọ̀fẹ́ kó wá kó sí àárín wọn.
ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀tọ́ wọn lẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti jáde láti wá ṣe wọ́n ní ẹgbẹ́ wọn nílẹ̀.
Ní wọn lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ṣùgbọ́n bọ́ ṣe lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ sí bí ebi bá ń pààrọ̀ láti jẹun oríṣiríṣi lọ kó ìrẹsì tí wọ́n ti sè kó wa kó sínú tó bá kó sí torí bí ebi ń pa á lọ ṣe nǹkan tí ò dánú kun ẹ̀ ní wọn lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ní ìlànà òfin ó ní ọ̀nà tó fi náà láti tẹ̀lé mo ti sọ ṣáájú pé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan irú àmì ìdánimọ̀ tá máa fi mọ̀ wípé àwọn ará bíi tó tẹ̀lé yín àwọn èèyàn yín ni wọ́n kò ní sí ọkọ yẹ kó wà gbogbo ìyẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ ti tó ọlọ́pàá létí ibi báyìí báyìí kọ́ ni látago báyìí sí aago báyìí bí wọ́n tiẹ̀ lè sọ pàtó oye èèyàn tó máa tẹ̀lé wọn níbi ìwọ́de wọn á lè sọ pé bóyá máa tó bí 100 bóyá tó bí 1000 káà náà bá bá ṣe pèsè ààbò tó péye fún wọn.
ìkọlù tí wọ́n ṣe sí ilé Sunday Igboho kò dín kí wọ́n rójú ráyè lè ṣe irú ètò tẹ̀yìn sọ nípa ẹni tí wọ́n lọ pa àwọn èèyàn wọn méjì tí wọ́n mú 13 nù wọn bó ló ti lè rójú ráyè sọ pé bá ti ṣètò láti ṣe ìwọ́de ni.
ìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn kọmíṣánná ọlọ́pàá Èkó lè tèmi ìlú Ìbàdàn ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ìgbé kọ́tẹ̀ rẹ̀ gbọ́ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n fi wọṣọ ọlọ́làwọn làwọn ṣe ní ilé iṣẹ́ agbẹnusọ wọn nìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń padà.
ṣé tí Sunday Igboho bá wá ṣe àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ yìí ẹ máa yọ̀ǹda fún wọn láti ṣe ìwọ́de.
tó bá tásìkò
bí owó ọba ṣe rí a gbọ́ wípé wọ́n ní kí gbogbo kan wọ aṣọ dúdú wálé ní láti ṣe ìwọ́de.
àríwọ̀n tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o àgbọ̀n tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kán ní aṣọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àmì ìdánimọ̀ ní nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kò lè sẹ́ni tó bá wa sọ tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó tiẹ̀ pé ọ̀dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá o kó tiẹ̀ bá wa jókòó káwa jọ jókòó tùbí nùbí ọ̀nà báyìí ta nínú wọn tó dé àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá tó dé lọ́jọ́ pé a fẹ́ jáde a fẹ́ kẹ́ fún wa ní ààbò tó péye láti ṣe o kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tó jọ pé èèyàn kan bá wa sọ àrò tó bọ́ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe rí nìyẹn.
ìlànà wo ló yẹ kí wọ́n gbà ní pàtó láti fi jẹ́ kó
wọ́n ti sọ yẹn lẹ́yìn kan.
wọ́n ní ìbéèrè o wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe.
wọ́n ti ṣàlàyé gbogbo ẹ̀.
ẹ yàtọ̀ sí pé kọ́ kọ lẹ́tà sí.
káwọn fúnra kan tẹ̀ bá jó kan tẹ̀ ṣé ó gbẹ̀. ṣé ẹ rí àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pé à ń lè fi ṣe eré sí wọn ṣé rí ọ̀dà àkàrà àtàn náà nìyẹn.
Thank you. More power to you.
God bless you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Could you kindly introduce yourself?
Yorùbá o.
Sorry.
My name is Akeem Olusegun Ogunesi, Commissioner of Police.
ẹ jọ sáà ẹ mọ wo apá mi balẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Orúkọ mi ni ọ̀gbẹ́ni Olusegun Akeem Ogunesi, ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀
ẹ jọ sáà ẹ jọ bàbá mi bá ti wá báyìí láti kí bọ̀ condition mi ló pọ̀ jù. ẹ jọ sáà mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ṣé
process wọn fẹ́ ṣe yìí ìwọ́de yìí ṣé kò sọ̀rọ̀ lábẹ́ òfin ni ẹ má bínú ṣé kò sọ̀rọ̀ lábẹ́ òfin ni. wọ́n ti dáhùn lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
Thank you, sir. Àwọn làwọn eléyìí.
That's the police commissioner of Lagos State, Hakeem Odumosun. Just finished addressing the press and the available people that are around here at Ojota.
ìbéèrè náà kí lè sọ fún wa nípa àwọn tí wọ́n mú yẹn àwọn tí federal government mú ilé Sunday Igboho.
ìrìn àjò tí wọ́n rìn lọ síbẹ̀ ìrìn yẹ̀yẹ́ ni ẹni tẹ́ sọ pé ẹ̀ ń wá tẹ́ ẹ débẹ̀ tí kò wà nípò lọ́rọ̀ bọ́ núwọ̀ kò ní ìgbà ń yìnbọn tó wáyé pé lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n wá Ìgbòho kò ní ìbọn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń gbé ìbọn kiri. Let know that Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. wọ́n ò ní máa yin ìbọn. Sunday Igboho ṣá wọ́n kì í ṣe ọ̀daràn àwọn ẹni tá a lè fi yọgàn àwọn tó ń rí ìdìbò gbogbo àwọn aṣojú wa pátápátá ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ àgbáyé ní àwọn orílẹ̀ bàbá wa Sunday Ọ̀ṣà Ìgbòho ọba Adéyẹmọ Akíntóyè àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ àwọn ààrẹ àlọ́rù gbogbo àwọn onílẹ̀ wa ààrẹ àlọ́rù tó wà nínú ẹ̀ gbogbo wọn àwọn olóríire àwọn Gani Adams olóríire ní gbogbo wọn àwọn tá a lè fi yan ọ̀gá láwùjọ ni wọn kì í ṣe kírímínà wọn kì í ṣe ọ̀daràn gbogbo ilé ìtọ́jú wọn kàn tọrọ àwọn ni a máa délẹ̀ lórí o lẹ́ni mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo àgbáyé mọ̀ wípé a ti pass a ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àgbáyé ẹwọ́ gbogbo èkó mo rìn káàkiri kí n tó débi ó dákẹ́ rọ́rọ́ ni mo fagbára nìyẹn olóko ò lè lọ olódò ò lè lọ nítorí kí nítorí kí àwọn Yorùbá ṣe tán kò ṣẹlẹ̀ ní nílẹ̀ káàró òjìire a bèrè fún kankan rí à ń bèrè fún eléyìí a dẹ̀ ní padà ẹ̀ máa tó wa lọ́wọ́ a dẹ̀ máa rí gbà àṣẹ ti dùn ní agbára Ọlọ́run àṣẹ ti dùn ẹ̀ máa rí gbà o agbára ìgbà ló gbó ibà Yorùbá nation Yorùbá nation Yorùbá nation.
sọ fún wa nípa àwọn DSS tí ó lọ sílé bàbá wa Sunday Ọ̀ṣà Sunday Igboho.
àwọn olè mú Ọlọ́run ló máa mú ojú àmọ́ mú wọn wọ́n bá lọ sí ẹ̀fọ́ nìgbò wọ́n máa ṣe ẹ̀sọ́ wọ́n máa jẹ̀yà wọ́n máa jáwé ẹ̀kọ́ àti ọjọ́ wọn àtọmọ ẹ̀yìn wọn wọ́n máa jáwé ẹ̀kọ́ àtọ́ sọ́kọ́ tó lọ bá lè jẹ́ ọyọ́ máa bàjẹ́ tọmọtọmọ ṣe àjọ Ọlọ́run àti mo rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ní àbá mi.
ṣé ẹ ní assurance pé ìjọba máa fi àwọn 13 tó mú yẹn ṣé wọ́n máa fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. Like this, it come like say the Yoruba Nation now rally don dey take place once more, even in the presence of police officers wey dey here. Koiki Media. We are still at the Yoruba Nation Now rally happening right now at Ojota here in Lagos. The rally is gradually taking place here at Ojota in Lagos, Nigeria. Yoruba Nation Now rally is now taking place, even in the presence of a lot of police officers, police van, even the CP Lagos State, as the Commissioner of Police Lagos State, is also here. But the protest right now, the peaceful rally is still ongoing at the moment. It's Koiki Media will bring the world closer to your doorsteps. Yorùbá nation and
Yorùbá nation.
Ebi pa wá ya dárí ní ṣubú. Mama tì mí.
Òmìnira Yorùbá.
Ló jẹ wá lógún.
Òmìnira Yorùbá.
Ló jẹ wá lógún.
Òmìnira Yorùbá.
Ló jẹ wá lógún.
Ní báyìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ anthem wa. Iṣẹ́ wa kò lẹ́wà.
Police have started spraying water on the protesters. They have started spraying water on the protesters. As it is now, the police has been able to chase away all the people that were here for rally. They tried using water to chase away some of them. Then later they started spreading and spraying their bullets. It's Koiki Media. We bring the world closer to your doorstep. This is 3rd of July 2021, and right here we are at Gani Fawehinmi Park in Ojota, Lagos, Nigeria. The Lagos State CP ordered the police to chase away everyone that came here for rally. It's Koiki Media. We bring the world closer to your doorstep. Yeah, it's still Koiki Media. We bring the world closer to your doorstep. Right here, we are still right here in Ojota.